Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the TOZO NC20 Pro earbuds, exploring its key features, user manual, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the TOZO NC20 Pro earbuds, a charging cable, a spare ear tips, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Product overview. How to wear. Insert the earbuds into your ears and rotate them toward the ear concha until they fit securely and comfortably. If the default ear tips feel uncomfortable or do not provide a proper fit, try a different size from the included spare ear tips. Ensure the earbuds are positioned correctly for a stable and comfortable wearing experience. How to pair? Remove the earbuds from the charging case. The white indicator light will slowly flash, showing that the earbuds are in pairing mode. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings, search for TOZO NC20 Pro, and tap to connect. If the earbuds have been paired previously, they will automatically reconnect to the last connected device. Download and install the TOZO app from Google Play or the App Store. After confirming the earbuds are connected via Bluetooth, open the app, complete the authorization process, tap Plus, search for TOZO NC20 Pro, and connect. Once connected, all available functions and settings will be displayed, and the charging case time will sync automatically. Power on the earbuds and pair them with device A. Disconnect device A, then enter pairing mode and connect the earbuds to device B. After that, reconnect device A by selecting it from your Bluetooth device list. The earbuds will then be connected to both devices simultaneously. When connected to two devices, if device A is playing audio and playback starts on device B, the earbuds will automatically pause the audio from device A and switch to device B. How to use. Power on and power off. Operation and controls. Using both earbuds or a single earbud. Call controls. Active noise cancellation control. Voice assistant. Reset. Active noise cancellation and transparency modes. Transparency mode. Adaptive mode. How to charge. Charging and battery. Charging case indicators. Wireless charging. Smart features? The TOZO NC20 Pro uses advanced ANC technology to reduce surrounding noise and create a more immersive listening experience. It automatically adjusts noise cancellation based on your environment. Equipped with high-quality audio technology and LDAC codec support, the earbuds deliver detailed sound with enhanced clarity, deep bass, and a wider audio range for music, videos, and calls. The charging case features a built-in touchscreen display that allows quick control of playback, noise cancellation modes, settings, and other functions without always using your phone. The earbuds provide extended listening time with the charging case, offering up to 80 hours of total playback for longer trips, work sessions, and everyday use. The TOZO app allows sound customization through EQ settings, personalized audio adjustments, and additional controls. The earbuds also support dual-device connectivity, allowing switching between two connected devices. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your TOZO NC20 Pro earbuds. See you in the next one.